Welcome back. Today we're going to do a macaroni salad. It's very simple. We done prepped everything, but I'm going to show you what we put in it, and you'll get to see how we cut it up. And let's come down here and look. Okay, what you're going to need, we got 8 ounces of it was uncooked macaroni. We have, all these are about right around a 1/4 cup, maybe a little over, of everything here of each. We have some fresh cucumber, some diced boiled eggs. I used 3 of these eggs. I got some, and then were large eggs. I got some Parmesan cheese and a little bit of Italian cheese. It's all grated. I got some about 1/4 of a bell pepper, 3 slices of bacon, and then we have some celery, and then we have some onions. And now I sliced the celery up into thin sticks, and then I sliced them as thin as I could so you don't get that stringy stuff. So, well, we'll just go ahead and put this together. All this goes into here. My hands are washed, but I think I still want to use this. We just want to give this a little stir up right now. Just gently stir it. Don't try to be breaking anything up. And that's fine, because we're going to stir it some more. So now we're going to go over here and make the dressing. All right, what you're going to need you're going to need some mayonnaise. We like our Dukes. You're going to need some vinegar, not much. You're going to need a little bit of mustard. And so now we got the cheeses and the bacon in there. You're not going to need salt. You can just black pepper. And if you want to reserve some of that bacon grease, you can put some of that in there too to give it a little more bacony flavor. That's up to you. Sometimes we do, sometimes we don't. This time we did, and I'm gonna leave your recipe down here. I'm gonna eyeball this. And the reason I'm making it on the side is because you can get a better consistency throughout your salad instead of just putting it in one spot and then some of it's too mustardy, some of it's got more vinegar in it. This gives you an even blend all over. You can taste it. That's about 2 teaspoons of that. Shake this vinegar up a little bit. You don't want to go too heavy on the vinegar. Just drizzle a little bit over it. We'll put a pinch of salt. Pinch of pepper. And just give this a good mix up. Get it real good and smooth. Don't mind the airplanes, like that one coming over. And then when you do it like this, you can put it a little bit in as a time as you need, but I think I'm pretty good just as I can see it. We'll give it a little taste test. It's pretty good. Got a good little tang to it. Yeah, this way you, as Rebecca just told me, you're able to taste the sauce before you put it in there. That way you know if you've got too much of something in there. And we're just gonna fold this in. And if I need more, I can make some more. I think this is gonna cover it very well. It's gonna be a very beautiful salad. That's why I like to use tri-colored peppers if you got them. And instead of using pickle relish, I like using that cucumber, fresh cucumber. It seems to brighten it up a little bit. If you like your sweet, then you, by all means, go ahead and add you some sweet relish, or add you a little sugar or honey or whatever to it. We like our, this is more southern style. Over the years we've added different meats and different cheeses to it. And I think this is one of, and we make our potato salad the same way. Everything that we put in this, we put in our potato salad. I think I got it. My camera lady will come up here and we'll do a little taste test. Here we go.
That's a winner.
The flavors are just what I was expecting. Again, when you make your dressing on the side, you can tweak it over there, but once you get it in there, there's no tweaking, okay? And it goes in more smooth. So even if you made it and you tasted like too much mustard, it doesn't mean that there's probably too much mustard because you didn't get it all mixed up real well.
True.
So,
now,
all right, guys.
Later on, when this is left over, if you have any, it might look a little dry, and you can freshen that up by adding a little more mayonnaise to it, or some milk.
A little heavy cream. A little heavy cream. Sometimes we add a little heavy cream to make it a little more creamier. But yeah, it does the same thing. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed this. We're having this tonight with a skirt steak. So I hope you watched that video. First, we're gonna do this quick because here comes the airplane. First time here, please subscribe, share, like.
Leave us a comment and ring that bell. Most important, y'all come back. Bye.